Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to charge the Nikon D3300 camera battery. This will be an easy tutorial with easy instructions, so let's get right into the video. So right over here, as you can see, this is the Nikon D3300 DSLR camera, and I'm going to show you and tell you how to charge the battery. It's really easy. All that you need is the camera itself. Well, you don't need the camera technically, you just need the battery, but I'm assuming that you have the camera as well. So you need the camera, I'm going to assume. You need the battery that's inside of the camera, which is right over here in this little compartment. You open the battery door and there's the battery, and you need the appropriate charger, which I have over here. So the first step is to remove the battery. Now to remove the battery, there's a little slot, a little lever over here. You're going to slide this to the side. The battery will pop out and then you can just drop it out of place. Here's the battery for the camera. Okay. I'm going to place the camera to the side. I film most of my videos, a lot of my videos, at least in the car. So I make it work. So just bear with me as I put everything to the side. Now, what I have here is the battery charger. As you can see on the battery, there's a spot that has these little slots with those little leads over there, those little, ports. And then over here, you have the little leads on this side. Those leads match up with these ports. So make sure you've lined it up properly and just slide it into place like this. It'll click in place. It should be nice and flush. It shouldn't be sticking out like that or anything like that. It should be nice and flush. Okay, I don't mean flush with this. There's a little bit of a curve, but it should be nice and flat, I should say. It should be in place securely. It shouldn't be able to fall out or anything like that. Now, on the back here, there are these prongs. It might look different depending on where you live, but essentially, if your prongs fold in, you want to make sure they're nice and fully extended. You want to take this and plug it into a power source. So plug it into a wall outlet. If it's charging, it's going to flash. That light there is going to flash. Okay? When it's fully charged, it's going to stop flashing. So it says charge, flashing light, and just solid illumination. So when it's charging, it's going to flash. When it's done, it's going to stop flashing, and it's just going to be solid illumination. And when it's done, you can obviously take the battery out, put it back in the camera, which is very straightforward, and you're good to go. That is how to charge the Nikon D3300 DSLR camera battery. An easy tutorial with these instructions. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.